Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with essentials, your ID, registration number, and any PDFs ready to upload. Once logged into the portal, enable two-factor authentication and note the session timeout so you won't lose work. Start the form now, fill the header and contact fields first, then click Save Draft. This creates a restore point. You do this because early saving prevents losing long entries and it makes subsequent edits faster. Make sure attachments are named consistently before proceeding. Now you move through the complex middle. Validate every field as you go, because catching errors early saves time at submission. Attach supporting documents next, compress large files to meet size limits, and convert scans into searchable PDFs so text can be indexed. When a digital signature is required, apply it using the portal's tool or your approved certificate, then confirm the file hash or checksum if the system offers one. Once done, rerun validators and resolve any flags. Finish by reviewing the summary page line by line. You want names, numbers, and dates to match supporting documents. When ready, submit the form and immediately download the confirmation PDF and official receipt. Save copies to cloud and local storage for redundancy. Once submitted, note the reference ID and expected processing time. If something goes wrong, restore the saved draft, check the portal's error logs, and contact support with the reference ID. This speeds resolution and avoids duplicate submissions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.